Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by eliminating the simple but critical causes. Replace batteries with fresh ones, ensuring correct polarity, because weak cells are the most common failure. Once done, power cycle the TV or device. Unplug for 30 seconds and press the power button for 10 seconds to clear volatile errors. Make sure you have a clear line of sight between remote and IR sensor. Even reflective glass or objects can block the beam. These steps get you ready to diagnose signaling and pairing issues. Next, determine whether your remote uses infrared or radio frequency. Point the remote at a smartphone camera and press a button. If you see a light, IR is working. If not, it might be RF or broken. Repair the remote by following the device pairing sequence, commonly holding specific buttons for 5 to 10 seconds, because pairing errors are common after power cycles. If signals still fail, reset the remote by removing batteries and pressing all buttons for 10 seconds to clear stored faults. Finally, try alternative control methods. Install the manufacturer app or program a universal remote using the device model code, since these bypass a faulty original. If buttons are sticky, open the remote carefully and clean button contacts with a 70% isopropyl swab. Make sure everything is fully dry before reassembly to avoid shorts. If none of these resolve the issue, contact support or replace the remote. Keep the model number and purchase info ready. Troubleshooting tip: test another remote on the device to isolate whether the problem is remote or receiver.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.